What if a single image could become an entire cinematic universe? A lone samurai standing in the rain, a dramatic movie scene, an anime masterpiece, a cinematic fantasy game, or even a fully animated talking character. And what if you could create all of that without cameras, actors, editing software, or a production team? Today, we're putting Domo AI to the test and exploring its complete AI-powered creative pipeline. Let's see how far one idea can go. Step 1. Generate the perfect cinematic frame. Everything starts with a single prompt. Using Domo AI's GPT Image 2.0, we create our base character. A hyper-realistic samurai warrior standing in a rainy ancient Japanese street, cinematic lighting, wet armor reflecting neon light, dramatic atmosphere, ultra-detailed textures, movie-quality composition. Within seconds, Domo AI generates a stunning cinematic image. What stands out immediately is the level of detail. Realistic facial features, high-quality armor textures, natural lighting and shadows, atmospheric rain and fog, professional cinematic composition. This doesn't look like AI artwork. It looks like a frame taken directly from a blockbuster film. But we're only getting started. Step 2. Bring the image to life with Seedance 2.0. Now we transform this still image into a moving cinematic shot using Seedance 2.0. Prompt: slow cinematic camera pushed toward the samurai, rain falling naturally, cloth moving in the wind, subtle breathing motion, fog drifting through the street, dramatic atmosphere, realistic rain sounds, cinematic soundtrack.
This city fears the darkness. I am the darkness.
And this is where things become truly impressive. The camera movement feels professionally directed. The rain interacts naturally with the scene. The subtle character motion creates realism. And the built-in audio adds emotional depth instantly. Instead of watching an image, you're now watching a cinematic sequence. This alone can save creators hours of production work. Step 3. One video, multiple worlds. Now comes one of the most powerful parts of Domo AI video-to-video transformation. We take the exact same cinematic samurai scene and transform it into completely different visual universes. But let's focus on where Domo AI truly shines. Anime transformation. This is where Domo AI delivers some of its strongest results. The realistic samurai scene is converted into a stunning anime sequence while preserving character consistency, camera movement, motion quality, scene, composition, cinematic storytelling. The anime details are incredibly clean. The line work is sharp, the colors are vibrant, and the animation feels natural rather than artificial. The final result looks closer to a professionally animated scene than a simple AI filter. And that's what makes this feature so powerful. Step 4. Turn the character into a storyteller. Now let's make the samurai speak. Using Talking Avatar, Domo AI transforms the character into a fully animated presenter.
For years, I trained to master the sword. I learned that true strength is not found in power, but in discipline.
You can add voiceovers, control emotions, synchronize lip movements, create character-driven storytelling.
I trained to master the sword. I learned that true strength is not found in power, but in discipline. Every scar tells a story. Every battle teaches a lesson. The storm around me is loud, but my mind remains calm.
The lip sync quality feels natural and accurate. Instead of a visual scene, you're now building a complete narrative experience. Your character can explain a story, deliver dialogue, or become the face of your content. One of the biggest advantages of Domo AI is value. To achieve a similar workflow using multiple standalone tools, creators often need separate subscriptions for image generation, video generation, style transfer, lip sync, upscaling. Those costs can add up quickly. Domo AI brings these capabilities together in a single ecosystem, making the creative workflow simpler, faster, and often more cost-effective for content creators. Instead of constantly switching between platforms, everything stays connected inside one creative pipeline. Let's look at what we created: text prompt to image generation to cinematic video to anime transformation to talking avatar to finished storytelling content. All from a single creative idea. What impressed me most wasn't just the image quality, it was how smoothly every stage connects together. From realistic visuals to anime worlds and fully animated characters, Domo AI makes the entire creative process feel surprisingly seamless. If you've ever had a movie scene in your imagination, but didn't have the budget, equipment, or production team to create it, Domo AI might be one of the most complete AI creative platforms available today. Give it a try and see what happens when a single idea evolves into an entire cinematic universe. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.